I got my carpet. Get your material ready. We're going to cut it out. We're going to trace it to the size that we need. And then we're going to stick it on there with some adhesive glue. Heat-resistant glue, of course. And just make sure you guys do this at your own risk, because some engine bays get hotter than others. So just make sure that your engine bay won't be too hot for the fabric you're using. While I was waiting for the paint to dry, while I was sanding those locations, I put carpet in every one of those little entryways, and it looks really good. Alright guys, measure out your product. See, you're basically going to want to have just enough to fit it underneath there. And since you're not going to be folding it over itself or anything else like that, and you're only covering one side, you only want enough to actually fit the panel. So about maybe an inch or two on each side, longer than the actual panel. Alright guys, we're going to cut this in, get on going. Now that you got it all roughed up and you measured it out, you're going to actually start on one side and work over. Because if you actually work from the center, it's going to cause a lot of issues in the corners. So that's why I left a lot of excess so that I can pull it in the areas that I need to. Alright guys, when you start to work out your fabric, I told you to start from one side. I did not trim out the edge yet, but as you see, I'm down on the underneath now. I'm working with my contact adhesive, and I'm applying it all on that edge right there. I put the tape because I know that this actual adhesive eats the type of paint I sprayed. I don't want to eat the finish that I don't have covered. As you can see, it came in handy, and it stopped some of the drippage. So what you want to do is pull off your tape right away as soon as you can. You don't want it to sit there. And then we're going to press that edge. Alright YouTube, this is what it looks like after you're done gluing it down and trimming the edges. And with the gray color that's custom for this Wagoneer, it really just accents everything with that little bit of sound deadening and carpeting. Alright guys, today we're going to blend in some areas that I didn't like on this. So we're going to do our second coat and apply what we need to do over the areas. Alright guys, after you're done spraying your blends, what you're going to want to do is pull out the plastic right away. You do not want it to get stuck, and you want to overcheck everything to make sure that you're happy with your job. And I'm going to move on from here. I am not going to mess around with it. This is at like showroom / daily driver level underneath. All this is just dust, it's not overspray, so I'm really happy about that. And I gotta let everything dry. Thanks for watching guys, subscribe and watch for more daily videos.